Did you know that 18% of people will straight up delete your ad if it freezes just for 5 seconds? So, how do you pick the best mobile test automation platform to stop that from happening? Well, it really depends on what your team is trying to fix. Think about it. Your app could be running on over 24,000 different Android models. A massive 71% of uninstalls happens because of crashes and bugs that a solid test process could have caught. Choosing the wrong platform doesn't just slow down your team, it literally costs your money. The best platforms out there all do three things incredibly well. They use real devices, they don't just rely on emulators, they leverage AI, they cut down all that tedious maintenance whenever the UI changes. They offer cross-platform testing. You can test both Android and iOS without having to manage two separate test suites. That's exactly what sets the top tools apart. Take Kairos for example. It brings all of this together with a real Android and iOS device farm, AI-powered mobile testing, and their healer AI. In fact, a neobank based in London used Kairos to bump their test coverage to 90% in just 10 weeks without hiring more testers. The best part? They launched with absolutely zero bugs in production. Want to see how your team stacks up? Check out our full 2026 guide to get the complete evaluation framework. And if you want to see it in action, just book a quick demo.